This is a video about making compost extract using an easy strainer instead of a normal compost extract bag. I think that it's easier to clean up and it makes an extract that's less likely to clog the sprayer. As long as you have a clean bucket with no particles in it and the bottom of this thing is clean, once you're here, you don't have to worry about chunks clogging your sprayer. Rainwater and some good compost. Add the compost, swish it around really good. When you pour, just swish this around. This is important to swish while you're going through. Otherwise a filter bed will form and you won't get all the particles you need. So just rub it while pouring. So here's the spray rig that I've been using. Took off the wand, put this half-inch internal diameter vinyl tube, got a barb, and this thing is a joy. I've unloaded the whole 2 gallons without ever having to unscrew and unclog. There it is. Hey, thanks for watching my video about compost extract. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative and not too long. Take a look at my other videos here or here. I'll see you next spring.